Hey buddy! This is Popular Gadgets Corner. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best gaming PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gaming PC cases the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. HYTE Y70 Metaphor, ReFantazio Official Licensed Case. The HYTE Y70 Metaphor, ReFantazio Official Licensed Case is one of the most visually striking anime/game-themed PC cases currently available. It takes the already popular Y70 platform and wraps it in premium Metaphor, ReFantazio artwork without sacrificing the core strengths that made the Y70 a favorite among high-end builders. Exceptional aesthetics. The panoramic 3-piece tempered glass design creates a showcase-style build that puts every component on display. The licensed artwork feels integrated into the chassis rather than looking like a cheap sticker pack. Excellent GPU presentation. The included PCIe 4.0 riser cable enables vertical GPU mounting out of the box, making premium graphics cards the centerpiece of the system. Huge cooling potential. Support for dual 360mm radiators, up to 10 fans, and dedicated bottom intake airflow gives builders plenty of thermal headroom for flagship CPUs and GPUs. If you're a fan of Metaphor, ReFantazio and want a premium showcase build, this case delivers both collector appeal and enthusiast-grade functionality. It combines excellent airflow, outstanding GPU presentation, strong build quality, and one of the best licensed gaming designs currently on the market. The only real drawback is the premium price tag. And number 2. MUSETEX Y6 HYTE ATX Case. The MUSETEX Y6 HYTE ATX case is a budget-friendly showcase chassis that delivers far more visual appeal and included features than its price suggests. With 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, wraparound tempered glass, and modern connectivity, it targets builders who want a premium-looking gaming PC without paying premium case prices. The biggest selling point of the Y6 is its 270 degrees panoramic tempered glass design. The front and side glass panels create a clean, fish tank look similar to much more expensive showcase cases, allowing RGB components and custom builds to be displayed beautifully. The all-white finish is particularly attractive for themed white gaming setups, and the pre-installed ARGB fans help create a vibrant appearance immediately after assembly. The MUSETEX Y6 is an excellent choice for gamers who prioritize aesthetics and value. It delivers the modern panoramic glass look, RGB lighting, 6 included fans, Type-C connectivity, and strong cooling support at a price that undercuts many premium competitors. While it doesn't quite reach the refinement and build quality of flagship cases from brands like HYTE, it offers outstanding bang for the buck and is one of the better-looking budget to mid-range ATX cases available today. And number 3. CORSAIR Air 5400 RSR ARGB, White. The CORSAIR Air 5400 RSR ARGB, White, is a premium showcase case that blends striking aesthetics with serious thermal engineering. Unlike many panoramic cases that prioritize looks at the expense of airflow, the Air 5400's triple-chamber architecture is specifically designed to maximize cooling performance while maintaining a clean, glass-focused presentation. The first thing you'll notice is the panoramic glass design. The wraparound tempered glass panels provide an unobstructed view of your components, creating a high-end display build that rivals the best showcase cases on the market. CORSAIR's build quality is immediately apparent. The steel frame feels rigid and premium, panel alignment is excellent, and the white finish is clean and consistent throughout the chassis. The standout feature is the triple-chamber layout, which separates major heat-producing components and cable management areas. This creates a cleaner interior while helping airflow move more efficiently through the system. The CORSAIR Air 5400 RSR ARGB is one of the most complete premium panoramic cases available. It successfully combines showcase aesthetics, innovative airflow engineering, excellent thermal performance, quiet operation, and enthusiast-friendly features into a highly refined package. And number 4. Lian Li O11 Vision Compact, White. The Lian Li O11 Vision Compact, White, is a refined evolution of the legendary O11 series, combining the clean aesthetics that made the O11 lineup famous with a more practical footprint and modern hardware support. Designed for builders who want maximum visibility of their components, this case delivers one of the most impressive showcase experiences available in a mid-tower form factor. The O11 Vision Compact immediately stands out with its three-sided tempered glass presentation. Unlike traditional cases that place a radiator or fan mount at the top, the Vision design uses a glass roof, creating an almost aquarium-like display that showcases hardware from nearly every angle. The white steel frame contrasts beautifully with RGB components, custom cables, and modern GPUs. Whether you're building a minimalist all-white system or a vibrant RGB showcase, the case provides a premium canvas. Despite its compact name, the interior still feels spacious and well-organized. The Lian Li O11 Vision Compact successfully modernizes one of PC building's most influential case designs. It delivers exceptional build quality, breathtaking component visibility, excellent cable management possibilities, and strong cooling flexibility in a more manageable footprint than many full-sized showcase cases. And number 5. FOIFKIN F600 Black. The FOIFKIN F600 Black is a value-oriented panoramic ATX gaming case that aims to deliver the premium fish tank aesthetic without the premium price tag. Featuring a 270 degrees tempered glass design, 7 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, and modern Type-C connectivity, it offers an impressive feature list for budget-conscious builders. The F600's strongest selling point is its 270 degrees panoramic tempered glass layout. The front and side glass panels create a seamless showcase effect that highlights RGB lighting, graphics cards, and custom components. The black finish gives the case a sleek, modern appearance, while the included ARGB fans provide vibrant lighting effects right out of the box. For builders who want a visually impressive setup without investing in expensive aftermarket fans, the F600 delivers excellent out-of-the-box appeal.